Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen T-roc Design 2.0 TDI M6F 115HP 5-door, a powerful and stylish estate Jeep, perfect for your adventures. Packed with luxurious comfort features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and voice control, this vehicle ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride every time. With top-notch security and safety features such as ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the chrome package and roof rails add a touch of sophistication to its exterior. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health check, comes with a warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specifications. Visit Blackwater,